Oh.
Oh, wow.
Voila. Let there be light. Hey you guys, welcome back to Beauty Trippin'. We're heading out. It's very early in the morning.
I thought you were going to be like, if you're new here, this is the show where we get weird beauty treatments done. I guess there are a lot of new people that discover us through this show, so.
That is true. A lot of people actually say this is their favorite show. Do you
bold
break for
statement.
beauty though?
But also subscribe if you haven't already and you are new. Anyway, the clue.
The clue!
It says first clue. So we were told that we're doing two things today. It's going to be a full day of beauty treatment.
It's a double header, as
This
they call
episode
it.
is only one thing, but then there will be another episode with the second thing. It says first clue, back to, and then back is all caps, the second back. Beauty treatments.
Okay, well that's like literally what you just said.
I know. Maybe it's like a back massage. I just hope so. My back
LOL,
hurts.
wishful
Or maybe I'm
thinking.
going back to the chiropractor. Or the acupuncturist. I guess there's a lot of back things.
I've never been to anything acupuncture related. Have always wanted to go. Maybe it's an enema. Back? That's in the back, right?
Is that more like butt? Like up
Like butt?
your-
Like
that's
up your
like
butt?
cleaning out your digestive system.
But people do that.
I don't think that we could show that.
Hello! Hi, I'm Joslyn.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Lily, nice to meet you.
Yeah, we've got you both in with Nurse Jamie today, is that right?
There's Jamie.
Okay.
I'm Goosebumps.
What are we doing?
Yeah, she's very excited to see you both. So Lily, we heard you were having some bacne, is that correct?
Yes, that is a problem that I encounter on a daily basis usually. Also, some face acne has also been taking over my life.
Yeah.
You could look at that too.
Absolutely, yeah. Head to toe, you'll be all taken care of. Okay. And then Jocelyn, we have you in for treatment today as well.
Back to back.
Get it like back, but
Back
then
to
like
back. Snack to snack.
Oh,
Ooh, no, that's
okay.
something different.
Hey!
Hi.
Lily, nice to meet you.
Hi, Joslyn. It's so nice to meet you in real life, not just
Hello.
on Instagram.
I love it. Hey,
Well, Lily's here for some bacne love.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
And potentially some other acne love maybe too, because my face is actually the biggest problem right now. I feel like my back isn't as bad as it usually is.
Yeah, your back looks pretty good, but we'll do some cleanup. I like it. We'll address the face as well.
I love it. That's like the first time I've ever heard anyone say, I like it, about acne. It's so good.
I was like, I'm just excited. fix everything.
All right, so you're gonna hang out too, Joslyn?
Oh yes, I'm here to assist. I know you have an assistant who's formally trained, but my little fingers are here ready and willing should you need me. Ooh, this is like cozy.
I'm not mad.
This is literally all of the internet's dreams becoming real life things. I mean, who doesn't like getting rid of a good pimple, some acne, some blackheads? What else is going on in here? Is there anything else good we can take care of?
Yes, we can. So part of the issue is what we call neovascularization. It's a collection of red blood cells that come to the area to try to heal. That's why you notice like these red marks will never go away.
I've also popped some recently too. I need to stop picking. Is there ever a time that you're supposed to pop? Because I know everyone yells at me and says that I need to stop picking, but.
Picking is generally not good. I mean, if it's really ready, maybe that's
Like
okay.
sometimes I feel like it's just like screaming at you.
Yes,
like
if it's
time.
screaming at you, then that's okay. But otherwise, I would say no.
I do it a little
resist.
prematurely
Yeah.
sometimes.
Lily, Corinne is going to help us. She's an esthetician, and she's going to help us with the skincare part. And I'm going to do a few little extra treatments.
Oh, extra.
Gosh, you have so many, you're gonna have just so many fingers on you. It's so exciting.
A lot of times, hormonal acne is caused by congestion. A big problem is people put drying products on, and then the acne gets trapped in there. So what happens is that sometimes
What?
I know. So then you get what I call a rash acne on top of it.
So it's a rash on top of your acne that you've trapped in there.
Exactly.
So that's what this is?
A lot, yeah. The root of the problem is hormonal acne, but she's kind of created another kind of acne, so she has two kinds of acne going on.
Oh no.
I know.
If it's all coming from within, is there a way to treat it?
Okay, I love this tool only because it's just like, why do people come in for cortisone shots? Cortisone doesn't heal you, but it removes the inflammation so that your body can heal itself. So essentially, the great part of this is it really helps with that congestion, acne. I
This
know.
is so cute.
Right, and I'm going to let you help with this part.
Oh, yes,
great.
love to. What's this called?
So this is the Uplift. This is
Okay.
my Instagram famous tool. Like you've seen
on your page. The
Chloe,
purple theme, love
Olivia
it.
Culpo, everybody, Jessica Alba, everybody uses this tool. So it is definitely my Instagram famous tool.
And what does it do?
It helps to like remove some of this lymphatic, and so that you can, let her.
Oh, cool.
Exactly.
I would love to try.
And I'll
Sure.
send you guys home with one of these because
Really?
you need
Okay,
one.
so do you just kind of like go
Press and roll.
press and roll? I
It's
feel
so
like you're my
easy.
little dough.
I know.
Just making some cookies
Exactly.
down here.
You sleep on this side, correct? So this side is your smaller side. So number 3 cause of premature aging is side sleeping.
my gosh.
Number 1 is UV damage. Number 2, maybe not in LA, but worldwide, is smoking. Number 3 is side and stomach sleeping.
2 out of 3.
Poor sleep habits. So she's gonna go ahead and apply a mask.
Ooh.
Normally when you use these, are you supposed to do it on like a dry face or?
You can use it alone or you can use it with product. I often will use it with product because why do we inject hyaluronic acid instead of just applying it topically? It's because you want to get that product to absorb better. So increasing that circulation is going to help you. As weird as it sounds, I really mostly want you to kind of chill out on the exfoliating and like moisturize a little bit more, and then do this roller as kind of the home care, because yeah, you're really doing some surgery on these guys over here. Okay, so I want to show you, there's a couple little things. So this is like a little laser-like cautery, so
Is it gonna hurt?
a tiny bit. A little sting here. But if you see how it's getting smaller.
Oh my gosh, it's literally disappearing.
Yeah, so that's so much smaller that little thing's gonna flake up and fall off. I know, isn't that
Just
crazy?
like burn them off?
Yeah, bye-bye. So like this one, tiny little sting. You see how that just kind of goes
Okay,
away?
all of it, everything on the red carpet is making so much sense now. Because like usually this kind of stuff we have to Photoshop off of our own photos.
Not that I ever do that.
Never.
Never.
So what is this tool called again? Is it a cauterizer or?
Yes, exactly.
No,
Yeah.
it's hot. Cauterizing is burning.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you see how it got smaller, considerably smaller, but it's a little darker, just like I said.
my
So that's
gosh.
gonna flake. That's gonna flake off, in about 3 to 5 days.
Oh my goodness.
But so you've probably often get this clogged, right?
I get like a weird blackhead there.
Yeah, I see.
You're like, yeah, I know.
Is that
no, I
because the pore is like
The
big or
pore is a little
something?
large, so I'm gonna donut around it. I'm gonna seal that bad boy off.
This is becoming a magical
Why didn't
day.
I come here sooner?
So this often fills up on you, correct?
Yep. Stabbing me with needles.
So I'm just gonna remove it, even though it's very stubborn. It does not want to come out. All right, this guy.
Oh, I
we
feel
did
like
get
that
it,
got it.
yeah.
That came out. That's so fast, though. Oh, we're bringing in some machinery here.
Oh wow.
It's a laser.
This is near infrared, so it's very healing. They use the same machine in physical therapy. So I just want to kind of heal some of this area. You've been exfoliating a
Yeah,
lot.
I was like, yeah, I gotta cut back.
So we're gonna heal. So this is kind of like every emotion all at once. It's like cold and hot and like happy and sad
it is so confusing.
and wet and dry. Yeah, it feels like everything all at once, but it doesn't really hurt.
No.
And you said this is going to basically make it better pretty much like right away. Is it just
It's
going to
gonna
look
help.
less red?
It's
or-
gonna help. If you want to take your glasses off because everything's red right
wow.
now. But
Okay, whoa. Like it looks a lot less
Oh,
red
wow.
already.
You can see it's already better. Now, obviously, this is red around the area where I did this, but you see how much
Oh yeah.
the redness is kind of going away already.
They look shrunken.
Yeah, and it's starting to heal. And I put moisturizer on, and you can see how the rash acne is kind of going away already. Your acne is just not as bad as.
I'm just making it 10 times worse.
This is a hard soap, and you get the exfoliant wet. I can do it on the back part of your skin, just not where it's all angry at us. You can kind of feel it tingles because you have what we call neovascularization. It's a collection of red blood cells that come to the area to try to heal. And just like people hold onto a tan, sometimes you hold onto that. So it almost looks like you have more acne than what you do because
Yeah.
these are.
Just like scars, kind of.
Yeah, so I think it's gonna all be better, but I know you also wanted me to look at your back.
Let's check out that back.
Well, while I'm here.
All right. I know back acne is so frustrating because at least you can't really like do anything about it.
It's like, I can't even overpick it because it's not, can't reach
Well,
it.
that's why it's not as bad though.
Yeah.
But what do people do? Like some people who have like really serious back acne.
You kind of almost have to have professional
Yeah,
assistance.
you can't
really reach it. So this is the Dermal mask, and this is something you can do at home, and it comes with a little silicone loofah. And this has glycolic and fruit acids in it, so you can kind of feel that tingling.
I'm going to help you.
Yeah, exactly.
thanks.
Thank you.
I'm going to sacrifice my ponytail holder for you.
Oh, you're too kind.
And for this one, I'm actually going to use the esthetician grade Light to Heal because your back doesn't look that bad. I know that was like one of your primary concerns, but it looks...
It's not shocking though that the one time we would make an appointment for this, that it would like go away.
All right, so this is the light stem. So this is an infrared light.
Oh,
exactly.
wow.
I know.
Like I didn't even realize that was happening.
It's not plugged in. Okay, so the great thing about this is it's going to do a large area at one time. It's going to kill the active bacteria, and it's going to help to lighten up that neovascularization that you have.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to let the mask go. I'm going to wipe the mask off, and we'll do a few extractions.
Ooh, yes.
I am going to do a mild little exfoliation here.
Now what in the world are these little
Honeycomb gloves.
I know. Yeah, they're silicone, so they're naturally antimicrobial.
This feels nice. I don't usually exfoliate my back.
Yes, and that's why it actually looks better than on the face, is because I think you're like, you're not able to reach it. Or maybe it's just cleared up because, like I said, sometimes the causes are, maybe it was from the hair extensions. Sometimes it's like not changing your sports bra, as weird as that sounds.
Lil, your back, I wish you could see it. It's gorgeous.
Or some backless things later.
You should go backless.
Well, that was amazing. I feel like you figured everything out, and hopefully I'm on the road to recovery if I stop picking. But now it's your turn.
I know, I'm so excited, and I have no idea what we're doing.
I love it.
It'll
just be fun.
I'm like, there's a bunch of other
mystery
things up her
appointment.
sleeve, I bet. But
And you guys don't know what I'm doing either, but you have to tune in next week to find out.
we'll be here. So subscribe if you haven't already, because that's how you see the videos. Okay, bye.
You guys, the fun doesn't have to stop. Have you clicked over here to watch our new video? Because it's pretty freaking awesome. Almost as awesome as my makeup right now. Does it look good? Just say yes. You click? Just click, you guys. You're gonna love it.